Have you ever tried removing vocals from a song but the audio gets messy or distorted? Yeah, Sam. But this app actually works really well. So the app is called Unmix AI and it's literally separate a song into vocals, instruments, drums, everything. You just need to upload your track and boom, clean stems. This app features are pretty solid. Studio quality vocal remover, 4 or 5 stem separation. You can extract instruments without noise and also you can export in MP3 or MAV. Honestly, if you are a singer, DJ or even a YouTuber who needs clean background music, this is super helpful and the quality is surprised. Even complicated songs come out pretty clean. Remember, the better your audio, the better the result. Try it once, you will see difference and yeah, subscribe if you want more useful creator tools. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.